Besides boasting a particularly moist and feathery crumb, these rolls can be made a day in advance and still taste great. Start by whisking 1/2 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of bread flour together in a small bowl until no lumps remain. Microwave the mixture, whisking every 20 seconds, until it thickens to a stiff, smooth, pudding-like consistency that forms a mound when dropped from the end of the whisk into the bowl, 40 to 80 seconds. Place the flour paste and 1/2 cup of cold milk in the bowl of your stand mixer and whisk together until smooth. Add 1 large egg and whisk until incorporated. Add 2 cups of bread flour and 1½ teaspoons of instant or rapid rise yeast. Fit the stand mixer with a dough hook and mix on low speed until all of the flour is moistened, 1 to 2 minutes. Let stand for 15 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix on medium-low speed for 5 minutes. With the mixer running, add 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue to mix on medium-low speed for 5 minutes longer. Scraping down the dough hook and the sides of the bowl occasionally, the dough will stick to the bottom of the bowl. Transfer the dough to a very lightly floured counter and knead it briefly to form a ball. Transfer the dough, seam side down, to a lightly greased bowl. Lightly coat the surface of the dough with vegetable oil spray and cover with plastic wrap. Let rise until doubled in volume, about 1 hour. Grease a 9-inch round cake pan and set it aside. Transfer the risen dough to the counter. Press the dough gently but firmly to expel all air. The slight tackiness of the dough aids in flattening and stretching, so resist the urge to heavily dust your counter with flour. Pat and stretch the dough to form an 8 by 9-inch rectangle with the short side facing you. Cut the dough lengthwise into 4 equal strips, and cut each strip crosswise into 3 equal pieces. Working with 1 piece at a time, stretch and press the dough gently to form an 8 by 2-inch strip. Starting on the short side, roll the dough to form a snug cylinder. Arrange the shaped rolls seam side down in the prepared pan, placing 10 rolls around the edge of the pan, pointing inward, and the remaining 2 rolls in the center. Cover with plastic and let rise until doubled in size, 45 minutes to an hour. When the rolls are nearly doubled, adjust an oven rack to the lowest position and heat the oven to 375 degrees. Bake the rolls until they are a deep golden brown, 25 to 30 minutes. Let the rolls cool in the pan on a wire rack for 3 minutes. Invert the rolls onto the rack, then re-invert. Brush the tops and sides of the rolls with 1/2 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter. Let the rolls cool for at least 20 minutes before serving. The rolls can be made a day ahead. To refresh them before serving, wrap the rolls in aluminum foil and heat them in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes.